opening of Yu-Gi-Oh! Versus One Piece. Let's see whether they can do something good. Good pause, I hope. Right, let's go. I don't really know about Yu-Gi-Oh, but I just got some to show you everyone. Like, subscribe, comment below, share the video and notifications on. Guys, do you like One Piece? I've got the new set here, one pack we've got. Do you like One Piece? One Piece is good. Don't know a lot about it, but it's good. Subscribe, watch as well. Subscribe and view it a lot. Subscribe and share. That's the main thing. More subscribers and views would be nice. Right. Let's I'll just go through them. Whoa! Is that really? That was good. So, apart from that hit, it's called a Drive Departure something. That's One Piece versus Yu-Gi-Oh! If you want more, comment below. Thank you for watching, hope you enjoy it. Like and subscribe, comment below, subscribe, like, share. There'll be a Pokemon opening tomorrow. I didn't manage to find no Pokemon, I'm afraid. Everywhere literally sold out. So I think I'm going to have to just go back to private games and collect cards. Thank you for watching, hope you enjoy it. Like, subscribe, watch the video. If you hear a lot, subscribe as well. Subscribe and share. And thank you for watching. And there'll be a video of my singles later. Or when I have dinner, because I'm having dinner in like half an hour. So after my dinner, or sometime tonight, there'll be some singles showing. Won't give a hint because it might be good. But anyway, if you enjoyed that, comment below and tell me if you enjoyed that. And subscribe, like, share, notifications on, everything helps. We'll see you in the next video. Say if it's about 7:30, 8:30. Bye everyone.